Hello, so this is a video on basic introduction to our approach to developing world issues. For those of you watching this video would likely be working on one or another problem of developing world. So essentially, we are interested in varied set of problems, whether they range from understanding the media of developing world, whether it's understanding corruption, whether it's understanding power supply, agricultural land use, ecological resource management, road network. So the problems are varied. This is barely an introductory video to tell you about our philosophy and how we approach these issues. For technical details, you'll get to specific videos. So while we are interested in developing world, we tend to focus on South Asia, especially India. But even if our focus is on South Asia, we actually, first step of our work, we do comparative analysis of facts from around the world. Then only we zoom in on the developing world. And instead of merely pointing out what are the problems, our studies end with better policy directions that can be taken up by the governments if they care. As I mentioned, our interest is in varied fields, and it's a constantly expanding interest. Whatever problems are there, I would like to find problems of those. Now, the way we go about a study is not merely looking in. So sometimes simply by looking at the way things have been done, let us say in one state of India or some particular state of Sri Lanka would give you the solution. Sometimes the answer lies in looking at what others are doing. Sometimes the answer is not found in either of the two contexts and you have to come up with a unique answer. You can't look up to how, say, US or some country in Europe or Japan is doing things and maybe evolve answers. Sometimes you can even find answers in some state of India itself. So a lot of times answers are not simple. We are not driven in our suggestions by any ideology, but we tend to follow what in form of acronym we can call MOVE, but it's multi-object optimization. So the idea is trying to find solutions by trying to optimize between different aspects. And we follow a multi-pronged attack. So instead of approaching merely from, say, social science perspective, economics perspective, or science and engineering perspective, or statistics perspective, we try to merge them all by bringing in people from various backgrounds. So that therein lies our strength, and therein we can achieve more than others have done before us. That's the hope. So I would expect you to join us in this effort and look at specific videos of developing world issues. Thank you.